candy store. At the Sweet Shop candy store, they sold 244 lollipops and 178 lemon drops in a week. How many candies did they sell altogether? Let's understand what they are talking about in this story problem. We are talking about a candy store, and they sold 244 lollipops and a different type of candy, 178 lemon drops in 1 week. It's asking how many candies did they sell altogether. So when we have the word candies, that is the topic, I would know that I have to add my lollipops and lemon drops. Also, I see the word all together, which helps me understand that this is an addition equation. So I'm going to use my text box to type my addition equation, and I have 244, and I'm thinking that that's lollipops, plus 178 lemon drops equals, and then I'm unsure right now, so I'll just draw a line. The way that I did that was I clicked shift and then the hyphen that's at the top towards your plus and equal sign if you want to do that, or you can just leave it blank, that spot. Now I need an exact answer, so I'm going to show you how to do my math drawing. 2 is in the hundreds place, so I will draw 2 groups of 100. That represents 200, 100, 200. 4 is in the tens place, 10, 20, 30, 40. And 4, is in the ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4. I look at my next number, 100, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I ask that first question. Do I have enough ones to make a new 10? Well, if I have 8 and 2 or more over here, then yes, I do. Or you could say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have more than enough. So I'm going to go ahead and say 8, 9, 10. Draw my new 10 stick right away. If you want to draw an arrow to that, you can, or you can just make sure you draw your new 10 stick right away. My next question, do I have enough 10s to make a new 100? I see 80, including my new 10 stick, 90, 100, 110, 120. Yes, I have more than enough, so I can draw a new 100. I'm going to start with the largest amount to cross out first, because that's easiest for me. So I will do 80, 90, 100, and I'm going to draw my 100 right away and just draw an arrow to it, knowing that that's my new 100. I can ask myself if I have enough 100s to make a new 1,000. No, I do not. I have 400. So now I will record my answer with a text box, and I look at my hundreds and I see 200s. And remember, I'm going to circle my answer to make sure I've seen everything. And I have 200s over here. I know that's 400, or you could say 100, 200, 300, 400. And I count my 10s. Now remember, anything crossed out, you already made a new 100. So I only have 2 10 sticks over here, and there are no 10 sticks over here. So I have 10, 20. 2 in my tens place represents 20. Now I look for my ones, and remember, I got rid of all of these ones, and this is the tricky part with using your screen. I did get rid of this one. So just make sure that if you're crossing things out, you know that that area was crossed out, and I only have 2 ones left. If you want to see if that's reasonable to say that there are only 2 in the ones place, you can check your numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yes, 2 in the ones place is reasonable. And then more than 300 is reasonable because we said that just looking at the hundreds place, 200 plus 100 is 300. And I know I had to add my tens, and I used my tens to make a new 100. So it makes sense for my answer to be more than 300.